Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to Settings, Help, Contact Us. This is where you can request a change. Once done, gather the chat timestamp, the phone number of the reported contact, and clear screenshots so support can match records. Make sure to unblock the contact if you block them immediately after reporting. Unblocking avoids confusion and shows you want the issue reversed. You're acting fast because reports are processed quickly and clear. Accurate details speed a reversal. You now write the support message. State clearly that you reported the contact by mistake and request cancellation. Include the exact date and time of the report, a short preview of the message, your phone number, WhatsApp app version, and device model so they can locate logs. Attach the screenshots you prepared. Once uploaded, double-check for legibility and redactions if needed. Make sure your tone is polite and specific, because concise. Factual requests are handled faster by moderation teams. You finish by sending the support request and saving any reference ID you receive. This lets you follow up without repeating details. Then wait. Responses often take 24 to 72 hours, so check your email and app notifications and follow up once if there's no reply. If the report already triggered action that can't be undone immediately, escalate by sending a fresh, clearer message with additional evidence and timeline. This improves the chance of reversal. Troubleshooting tip: if support stalls,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.